Right, so I've got the sharps bin set up now, so sorted. Patriots collab. First truck of the day. Something really heavy this. The rest of it come off. So we've got a bit of a pipe that someone's been using for drug use. Loads of scaffolding. Get the rest of what we're down here. I don't know if it's a town bollard, that. Whew. Nice steel beam.
You just got to try and flick that magnet off.
Oh, I know. There we go. Nice and easy. Nice steel beam. Really heavy, that. At the Pride Wall with Rob from Dippers and Scrappers.
Shift your scrap.
Shift your scrap. I'm just getting quite a few of these at the moment. Put out a big bollard. Huge piece of steel. Bit of someone's cooker. Getting quite a few coins at the moment too. Got this. I'm not entirely sure what that is. At first I thought it was a fishing rod stand, but can't be. Just poured out this brolly. Could do with one. First one of many. Just pulled this out. It says JUUL and then a code. I've just pulled this out of it. It's like a USB, but kind of not. What is that? It's like a pie bar of some kind.
Thing, something like that. Is it daddle? No.
We got a brand on it or unbranded. Don't really know my tools rather than the basic ones.
Put it back into it.
The evolution kills me.
Oh no, I've got with my mates today.
Someone's done a bit of shoplifting.
That's been wrapped round a box, that's a big one.
Oh yeah, be a telly or something that's come off.
Yeah.
I think this is a wagon lock. Just checked with my dad, he used to be a HGV driver. What do you reckon?
That looks like a door handle.
Door handle? What's that?
Haven't got a clue. It's a pin for summer. I'll tell you what that's for. That goes in there. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Fire extinguisher handle.
No way. It is, isn't it?
What did you do?
Yeah. So we've got Martin's Mad Hatters here. Just pulled out a handbag. All sorts in that.
Electric toothbrush. Hugo Boss perfume.
Got all sorts. Got toothpaste, electric toothbrush, razors, keys. Little bottle of Hugo Boss as well. So well done to these two.
My best
Awesome.
find today though is still my shovel. Look at that.
Lovely.
No wear on it, it's never been used.
Look at that.
Because Beth pulled two of those up
Quality.
on her first video, and I said how nice they were. She's bringing them for me tomorrow.
Go with the top of
yeah.
a fence post or something.
Wire brush them down, and
Aye.
you'll be fine.
Oh, another two.
And don't forget to subscribe to Secrets of the Thames.
Cheers, guys.
Are you on YouTube and Facebook?
Yes.
Awesome.
Excellent.
Got a 2p on there and a little bungee. So that's for the general waste. Takes a second to kick in. Not sure what that is. Caught on something else now. A sheet of material. Not sure what that is. Bit of scaffolding. This bronze piece. Not sure what that is. I'll take that, see if I can do anything with it. Give it a clean up. John's just got some coins and a condom wrapper. And we've got Michelle here from Northwest Magnets.
You have. You have. I've got him on the phone to
Got a scaff clamp and the base for scaffolding. Check this out. Same on bottom, I think. Be seized up that. It does have some writing on it. It's got the patent pending thing on it. Top bit looks like an IKFOR something. I'm gonna have to research that. Not sure. Oh my god. You know what that is, don't you? It's sex toy related. I don't want to touch him. It's a set of blood. Oh, it's a set of jiggle balls. Oh, I don't want to touch them. They've been inside somebody. There's the string. Oh my my god, there you go. Oh my god.
Which floor did they come from?
Oh god.
Hang on, you're fine.
Just poured out a set of jiggle balls.
Oh, so yeah.
Mental.
And he had several slabs straight nice straight away.
Oh god. Oh
I need to take a picture of it.
god. I mean, the day I found a vibe at Northants and it fell out the scrap truck and he had to handle it, that was embarrassing enough. But...
Can I take a picture of you with that fine?
Plenty of people been using the sharp spin today. I'm using it for the first time. Just got this needle. We've had a dodgy find here. Got scaff clamp on that with nitrous oxide. And what is wrapped around right in the middle where the bolt goes through the double-sided clamp magnet is some rope with a brick. So just getting the grappling hook because it is absolutely killing. It's well heavy. You don't need that much.
Yeah, no, I didn't want the thing falling in.
If you get the grap just through the bottom where that scaff clamp is.
No.
Just through middle.
Through here?
Yeah. Just there.
Oh, right, okay. Terry, do you want to pull?
Ugh. Can't. It's too heavy. Literally can't.
Let's get the magnet off and this sort of thing.
That's what's running all the way down here.
Hold on to it, and we'll get the bottom end. Right, hold on to it, look it up, and then we'll get the bottom end.
Somebody who commands it, something to the other side.
No, grapple works. Anyone else
Who's
got
got
a grapple?
gravel it?
I've got one here, just down here. It's attached to something way down with the brick
Let
though.
me go
So
get mine. Hold that there, yeah?
Rock it a bit and have a chip mark.
that's London magnet fishing.
Exciting stuff here.
And the lads from Glasgow. Oh, that scared me. You cheeky.
Oh, the scrappies will love that. No wonder we couldn't get it out.
I think there's another one down here as well.
Aye. Sophie thinks she's got another one as well.
The biggest vine yet, isn't it? Got another one?
Yeah, I think there's one of them down here.
It's probably all the way down. What you got, Sophie?
I think there's one of them running all the way down there.
If you get in and push the
What was that? Brick in a bag or something?
Yeah, just cannot get it. I need manpower.
What way are you getting on then?
Just on there. Just got grap and something way down with the brick. Well done, well done.
I'm going to get a washing nicking home.
Cannot lift it. Somewhat weighed down with a brick.
Come on, muscles. Go on.
I'm right here.
No idea what it is, but
If
it
it's
just will
weighed
not.
down with a brick, that's a little bit dodgy for Manchester.
Yeah. Just can't lift it.
bag or a dog?
What?
Mr. Goody! Paul!
Or a dog?
I hope not.
Make them big in Manchester. Go on, take my gloves off.
It's attached to that half a brick.
Probably the other thought of that.
We need some out with it.
Take the crying out with us.
Probably had another one.
Oh, there's no another one, is there?
So it's weighed down with a brick. Dodgy. We'll have to shift some at ropes so they don't slip on it.
down with bricks?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's attached to that blue door.
Use it though.
Was that one of the brackets on the top?
No, it's got no magnet.
Is that a mule chain?
Don't you get that to the boat?
Weighed down.
Somewhat weighed down with a brick. Don't know. Just cannot lift it.
It might be some guy on the end of that.
Oh, hopefully
Might
not.
be round his feet.
These fines here.
See the jiggle balls that she
24 hours of this.
You know what that is though, don't you?
No.
It's actually a scaffolding thing. You put on the scaffold, that clamps around the pole, that like that,
Like
and
a
then they can
support.
pull
Ah.
extra.
Yep.
I've got one of them down there as well. Before I thought you.
You got one earlier on, did you know, Cathy?
Yeah.
See that there?
That's the bit for that. That's the scaffold bit as well.
Ah.
Yeah. It's like that quick connect.
That side's still working. That one.
Yeah, but so they put that through, and then you put that in, and then that's it.
Where is it?
This looks old school. It's got a spike on it. That base is lovely. Right, so got a hammer. A knife there. Doesn't appear to be branded. It's a cheap one, that. Try and bury that. Someone sees it. It's a rider!
You just pull that out.
It's a rider! Oh, I just read it down the tow path. I don't know what brand it is, but
2 locks on and it's still be able to throw in the water. That makes a lot.
feels very clean, doesn't it? Because we was here like months ago. There's bushes on there, on that side, so it's a bit inaccessible, to be honest. Last time we were here, RJ pulled a machete out. Just a bit of aluminium bar there. What? Don't know. I know, yeah. What? sent him a video of where we are. Don't know. Coat hanger. No idea what that is. Oh, just a load of shrapnel. Oh my god. Look at that. In my glove. That is a close call. Please could you pull it out? It's pierced my glove, that. Sharps bucket. That was close. Oh my god. So the fishing line under that, maybe with a hook. Summer. I'm stuck under this lip. Just over there, yeah. Just to bricks.
Pretty empty here, isn't it?
Yeah. The lock's gonna be better. I don't know if you want to move up there.
What, there?
Yeah. Because that lock, people sit there, don't they? I'll get my rope. I'll drag it all over there and then I'll come back for buckets, yeah? Don't let me forget my can of iron brew. So I've got 2, 4, 4p and some trucks off a skateboard. Ugh. Ugh. Oh my god, that was heavy, that. Here we go. Jewellery case. Couple of 2p's. Lock from inside a door. Let's have a look at this. That's empty, that. See what shop that's from. Nah, it's unbranded that. I was hoping there was something in that. And then we've got a lovely old bucket handle. Duracell, 1p. That's 1, 2, 3, 4p on that. Got a little burner phone there. It says Alcatel, 1 touch. Then we've got batteries, another penny. Looks like a pin, another penny.